Hi there, cuties. Ready to see a pretty makeup look done by Jasmine Hand? She is beginning by thoroughly priming the skin before applying any other product. Next, she is applying a green concealer over the acne and scars because the green cancels out the redness of the skin. Applying a regular bright concealer on top to mask the greenness of the previous one so it doesn't show ashy on the skin. Blending a medium coverage foundation on top to create a beautiful makeup base. Using a damp sponge makes the process way easier because it blends the product in seamlessly, leaving no streaks. Applying concealer, again, to highlight and brighten the high points of the face where the sun naturally hits the face. Those areas include underneath the eyes to brighten the dark circles, as well as on the chin, bridge of the nose, and forehead. Blending it into the foundation seamlessly. Applying loose translucent powder because it shows no flashback of brightness on the face, but instead it mattifies the products. Setting the eyes as well to make sure that the eyeshadow stays on during the day afterwards. Using an angled brush to fill in the brows and shape them with the pomade product. See how she is focusing the product mostly on the arch and tail of the brow? Because it is naturally darker on that area. Defining the shape with concealer. Using a small kabuki brush to apply bronzer, giving the face some structure, definition, and warmth. As well as adding blush on the cheekbones and baking the face with powder to highlight some more. Moving on to the eye makeup, starting with a peachy nude transition shade all over the lid. Deepening the outer corners with a dark brown and highlighting the lid center with some fine golden shimmer. Perfecting all the details to the eye look, up to applying the same hues on the lower lash line as well for a smokier look. Applying a white liner on the waterlines to enhance the eye shape and also applying mascara to the natural lashes before adding falsies. Finalizing the look with a lippy color. Adding setting spray to fully set the look. It turned out absolutely amazing, right?